Global IT crisis. Due to MS Service Outage. Market Impact Analysis Overview. A recent service outage at Microsoft, MS, led to a global IT crisis, highlighting the critical interdependence between cloud services and security services, and causing significant stock market fluctuations. The issue was traced back to an update by CrowdStrike, a provider of cloud security services to MS. As a result, CrowdStrike Holdings, listed on NASDAQ, saw its stock price plummet by 11.10%, while MS's stock declined by 0.74%. In this blog post, we will analyze the specific circumstances of this incident and its market impact. Analysis of the service outage. Cause. The root cause of this service outage was an update from CrowdStrike, which provides cloud security services to MS. This incident underscores the high degree of interdependence between cloud service providers and security service providers. The close relationship between these services means that an issue with one can significantly impact the other. This incident has brought this interdependence into sharp focus. Stock price reaction analysis. CrowdStrike Holdings. Stock plunge. CrowdStrike. Holdings stock dropped by 11.10%, indicating that investors are highly concerned about the company's responsibility for the outage. Trust issues. As a security service provider, CrowdStrike's credibility took a hit, leading to a sell-off by investors. Microsoft stock decline. MS's stock fell by 0.74%, a relatively small change. Limited responsibility. MS was not the direct cause of the outage, and its diversified business structure mitigated the impact. Market confidence. As a major IT company, Mississippi maintained market confidence despite the outage. Other affected companies. Cloud service users. Large enterprises. Major companies using MS's Azure cloud, such as financial institutions, healthcare organizations, and manufacturers, likely experienced disruptions. Startups and SMEs, small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, relying on cloud services for their products and services also faced impacts. Other service providers in the MS ecosystem. Software providers, companies offering services through the MS platform, such as SaaS, software as a service firms, may have encountered operational challenges due to the outage. Cloud solution partners. Companies providing solutions based on MS Azure were also likely affected. Other cloud security service providers. Cisco, Palo Alto Networks, Zscaler. These and other cloud security service providers could face indirect impacts. Investors' concerns about security service reliability might cause stock fluctuations. Market impact analysis, short-term impact. Stock volatility. The stock prices of CrowdStrike Holdings and MS showed significant short-term volatility, dropping 11.10% and 0.74% respectively. Investor reaction. News of the IT crisis led investors to adopt risk-averse strategies, resulting in sell-offs. Industry-specific impact cloud service industry. MS's cloud service outage raised questions about the reliability of cloud services, affecting investor confidence across the industry. Competitors. AWS, Google Cloud, and other competing cloud service providers might benefit positively as investors consider switching services. Security service industry. Trust in security service providers was also affected, with CrowdStrike's reliability particularly scrutinized. Competitors. Companies like Palo Alto Networks and Cisco may find themselves in a more favorable position. Long-term impact customer trust recovery. MS and CrowdStrike need to strengthen service stability and work on regaining customer trust to ensure long-term stock recovery. Regulatory and policy changes. The outage may prompt government and regulatory bodies to impose stricter regulations on cloud and security services. Investment strategy changes. Investors may approach cloud and security service companies more cautiously, seeking to diversify portfolios to mitigate risks. Key indicator changes. ZIX, Volatility Index. Increased uncertainty in the market due to the service outage could lead to a rise in the volatility index. Tech stock index. Tech-heavy indices, such as NASDAQ, could see short-term declines. Conclusion. The MS service outage resulted in increased stock volatility and had broad implications for the cloud and security service industries. In the long term, the focus will be on recovering customer trust, adapting to regulatory changes, and adjusting investment strategies. Companies must work on enhancing service stability and maintaining strong relationships with their customers to navigate these challenges effectively.